Hi folks, this is Andy Skinner at ramprt.com. I've added many new features to RT Alerts, and this is a remake of the introductory video. The market is open, and let's see what's happening right now. I've opened the RT Alerts program, and you can see that we're looking at trend lines today. I have the program set to look for resistance lines, support lines, and breakouts for the first part of this demonstration. Over on the left hand side you can see a list of the current alerts. Right at the top you'll see WHR is on support, and that's on a 15-minute bar time frame. Eastern Standard Time is 12:22 p.m. and here's the associated chart, WHR, which would be top left. This is all top down. So this is the last alert in. And you can see there's a long-term support line here, and it looks like it's approaching it. Next one over, VTR. This came in about 15 minutes ago, and you can see it's testing a very strong resistance level. I'll scroll down through these charts so that we can see some of these patterns. Here's TIF on a 10-minute chart testing resistance. FCX again at resistance. The market's very bullish today, so we're going to see a lot of resistance. And of course it depends on the nature of the market on any given day. JNS, a significant resistance level. Both you can see here on a 30-minute and a 15-minute time frame. CMA again at resistance. Novellus will be testing support here within the next half an hour. I have a guess that's a 30-minute time frame. There's an opportunity there. TXT. Down at the bottom I see we have some cup and handles. Here's HAL. We have a nice cup and handle formation here. It looks like it just broke out of its cup and handle. And I did turn cup and handles on. Here's XL testing resistance. The real-time alerts is an excellent way for you to see all of these patterns that are occurring during the day. There's virtually no other way for you to find these stocks and be alerted to them during the trading day. You can see CMI and an excellent resistance line touch here, and ATI just a little bit of a breakout over here. Okay, I'll scroll back to the top and we'll take a look at the settings. Now you can control this to see just about anything you want to see. I'm going to go up and click on settings, and a settings window pops up, and you can see here in the settings window that I can click on the patterns that I would like to see. I have clicked on hit resistance, on support, breakouts, breakdowns, bullish cup and handles, bearish cup and handles, and that's what we just looked at. I think what I'll do, just for the sake of this video, is I will turn on all of the patterns. I don't know that you would want to do that, but they're all on. We have a total of 7 time frames here to choose from. I'll have those all on, and here's where you can select the stocks or the equities you would like to see. I have US stocks and US indexes turned on right now. I will go ahead and turn on the E-minis. That's the YM, the Dow E-mini, ES, S&P 500 E-mini, NQ's and NASDAQ. I think that's NASDAQ 100 E-mini, TF, Russell 2000 E-mini. I'll turn it on, and we can also scan Forex, and I will turn on Forex. Now I have all of this turned on, so that's everything in the system. If I want to be more particular than that, I can come over here and type in individual symbols, and that's all I will see. And we'll do that in just a minute. Hit Save Changes, Start Alerts, and the screen will populate with all of the alerts. And again, it's top down. The last one in was a US dollar euro. Just hit resistance on a 15-minute bar, and you can see that it's dropping down this resistance line right here. Here's an excellent Fibonacci retracement. This is WDC, and it looks like it's retraced to the 38th percentile. That's on a 15-minute time frame. There's that VTR resistance level, and I'll see if there's anything of any other real interest here. JNN, a lot of resistance levels today, just the nature of the market. Here's a nice head and shoulders right here. US dollar, Canadian dollar has done a reverse head and shoulders on a 30-minute bar. Looks like it might be headed back up here. We'll take a look at some settings. I'll show you how you can set it up to watch your favorite stocks. I got to find one that, of course, is here so that we can see it. We'll look at WYN and MTB. So if I go back to settings, and I can go over here and type in MTB and WYNN. Excuse me, I'll put the other N on there. Okay, notice when I type these symbols in, when there's text in this window, this grays out. You have to use one or the other. If you have text on the right hand side where you're specifying the symbols, then these are not used, although your settings are saved. And if I want to look at available symbols, I can click here on available symbols, and a web page will pop up that will show me all of the symbols that are currently available and being scanned to receive alerts on. You can see US stock symbols. I can scroll down here, and there are over 600 symbols being monitored right now in the US stock market. These are the Forex symbols that are currently in the system. If you see a Forex symbol you'd like to see and it's not here, please email me. Just click here, andy@nebadon.com. Tell me the symbols that are missing. Over here I put US indexes and the E-minis. You can see the symbols here for the various equities. And again, don't hesitate to email me if you see something missing that you would really like to receive alerts on. Remember, I will ask it to only show me 2 stocks. That's all I'm interested in today, are just those 2 stocks. So there are all the alerts that have come up so far today on WYNN and MTB. And you can see we have Fibonacci retracements, basically, is what we're looking at here. Now, if I go back to settings, and for instance, if I were to shut off the Fibonacci retracements, okay, I took out all the Fibonacci retracements. I'll hit Save Settings. Now I've got a situation where I probably won't see anything because I've asked for something that just plain doesn't exist. One last thing I'd like to do, you can hide. Let me back up a minute. I'll turn on my trend lines. Like I said before, I'm a trend line guy, and I like cup and handles because they show me some good breakout trend lines too. Okay, I have all of the indexes and time frames on. I'll save my changes, and now I'll click Start Alerts again, and now I'm looking, of course, at trend lines and cup and handles. If you want to hide it, this will run in the background. You just click Hide, and it goes away. And when an alert pops up that is for a pattern or a stock you've requested, it will pop up on your screen, and nothing's popped up. I have no control over that. So down here in the tray, you can see RT alerts. I'll force it to pop up. Click it. It pops up, and of course I can look at the current alert. If I like it, fine. If not, I can just click Hide, and it pops back down into my tray again, so I can go on working. With that, I'm going to close this video. Hope you enjoyed RT alerts, and you can go to www.rampt.com, install RT alerts. It's a very small application, installs very quickly, and run it. It is a subscription service. There is a 2-week free trial. Thank you, and again, this is Andy Skinner at nebadon.com, and I encourage you to try RT alerts.